Alright, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll teach you how to simplify this question. A lot of people solve it wrongly. Some people will do 3 minus 3, which is equals to what? 0. If you do this first, you're already on your way to getting it wrong. Divide by what? 1 over 3 plus 3. 3 divided by 1 over 3 is going to give us what? Because here will be what? 0 times 3 plus 3. 0 times 3 is what? 0. 0 plus 3 is what? Is equals to 3. Alright? But this answer is not 3, okay? It's wrong. According to PEMDAS, right? If we use our PEMDAS rule, we have to solve from left to right. Follow our, there's no parentheses in the question, there's no exponent. So we have our multiplication and division, one division, one addition, one subtraction, and so on and so forth. So let's see the correct way of solving this. So we have 3 minus 3 divided by 1 over 3 plus 3. Okay, so now what we are going to do is to first of all do this division, which is this. So bring this 3 down. 3 divided by 3. Don't forget your KCF rule. There's a rule called KCF. It stands for keep, change, and flip. So we apply it here. We have 3 times this division will remain, we change to times, then this will go up, which is 3 plus 3. Alright, so now that we have arrived in this, we have one subtraction, one multiplication, and one addition. So according to PEMDAS, we are going to do this multiplication first. Okay, so we have 3. So if we do this first, we have minus 3 times 3 will give us 9 plus 3. Now we have 3 minus 9 plus 3. Alright, so 3 minus 9 is going to give us minus 6 plus 3. Minus 6 plus 3 is going to give us what? Negative 3. So our correct answer is negative 3. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment.